Basic Search. The ProQuest Basic Search provides a simple and intuitive path to retrieving results quickly. Basic Search allows you to search across all available fields, including full text if available. In the gray bar, you will see the number of databases currently included in your search. You can view the list of these databases and change your database selections using the appropriate links. Select the databases you want to search using the checkboxes. Or click on any database name to search that file. To help you find the most relevant results, ProQuest has categorized its databases into subject areas. Hover over a subject area to view a list of the specific databases included in that area. You can search a specific database, an entire subject area, or all of the databases available to your organization. When entering your search terms, be sure to use quotation marks to search for an exact phrase. Below the search box, you can choose to limit your search results by a range of options. Click the Search button or press the Enter key to view your results. For more information, visit the ProQuest LibGuides site at proquest.libguides.com or visit the ProQuest training channel on YouTube at youtube.com/ProQuest training.